You've built 6 systems over the past 7 lessons. Screenshot method, idea database, batch film day, AI prompts, content calendar, and batching schedule. By the end of this lesson, you will see exactly how everything works together. Consistent output without creative exhaustion. Each system feeds the next, and that's what makes them work. The screenshot method feeds your idea database. Every week, you're capturing 10 to 20 ideas without thinking about it. By the end of the month, you have 50 plus ideas ready to use. Your idea database feeds your content calendar. So when you plan your 30 days calendar, you just filter your database by category or tags. You pick ideas that match the 60-20-20 mix. Evergreen, trending, personal. You never start from scratch. Your content calendar feeds your batching schedule. On Monday, when you script, you look at your calendar and see, this week I'm filming these 3 videos. You pull those ideas from your database and script them. On Tuesday, when you film, you already know exactly what you're filming. AI prompts accelerate every step. Stuck on a script? Use the expand one concept prompt. You need a hook? Use the write 10 hooks prompt. Need to understand your audience better? Use the list 50 pain points prompt. AI doesn't replace your work. It just speeds up your brainstorming. Your batch film day and batching schedule eliminate context switching. You film everything in one session and you edit everything in dedicated blocks. You create all your thumbnails at once and there's no jumping between tasks. So 5 to 10 hours saved per week. All right, you finished module 4. You rebuild your creative process from the ground up. Now, go back to module 2 and integrate these systems into your weekly review. Track your creative metrics alongside your energy and boundaries. And watch your consistency improve.